Well, members of the C-TRAN Board of Directors were given an update this week on the impact the coronavirus pandemic is having on the transit agency. CEO Shawn Donaghy told the Board of Directors that C-TRAN ridership is down over 55% compared to the same time last year. But the good news is that C-TRAN has the smallest decrease in ridership of any major agency in Washington state, despite the decrease in overall ridership. C-TRAN continues to operate at as close to full service schedule as possible in order to comply with physical and social distancing requirements. Donaghy said C-TRAN has routes that continue to experience overcrowding as a result of current guidelines. In those cases, he says they're forced to ask riders to wait for the next bus. Donaghy also reported that as the state begins to move into the governor's plan to reopen Washington, there are indications that ridership is beginning to return. C-TRAN is using a portion of the $15.8 million in funding it received from the CARES Act to get through the first months of the economic crisis. C-TRAN has also currently placed all non-essential spending on hold, has a hiring freeze in place, and has deferred a number of capital projects. In addition to that, 75 C-TRAN employees, about 20% of its workforce, are currently on voluntary leave.